Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull with TradingView. First, make sure you have active accounts for both platforms. This integration allows you to leverage TradingView's advanced charting while executing trades through your Webull account. It's a powerful combination for serious traders, offering a seamless experience. We'll cover each step clearly so you can get started quickly and efficiently. Next, you'll need to generate your API key from Webull. Log into your Webull account and navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Look for an option related to API management or third-party connections. Once found, follow the prompts to generate a new API key in secret. These are crucial for securely linking your accounts, so keep them safe and ready for the next step. Now, let's connect Webull within TradingView. Open your TradingView platform and locate the trading panel, usually at the bottom of the screen. Click on the broker icon and select Webull from the list of available brokers. You'll then be prompted to enter the API key and secret you generated from your Webull account. Carefully input these credentials to establish the connection. Finally, it's time to verify your connection and start trading. After entering your credentials, TradingView should indicate a successful link to your Webull account. You can confirm this by checking your account balance or placing a small test trade. This integration empowers you to use TradingView's powerful analysis tools while executing trades directly through Webull, enhancing your trading strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.